Let's look at some of the brand new training that is available right now at CBT Nuggets. I'm Allie, and here's a quick update. First, it's CompTIA Security X with Eric Corin, the CIS 005 update to CompTIA's expert level capstone. This is an entry-level cert prep. It's built for senior engineers who need to lead security strategy at the organizational level. Eric covers advanced risk management, cloud security architecture, GRC frameworks, and threat modeling using MITRE ATT&CK. Your team walks away ready to design resilient systems and run enterprise-wide incident response. And if you're handling government contracts, it's DoD 8140 approved. Next, it's Keith Barker's Palo Alto Network Security Engineering Training, built for teams already running Palo Alto next-generation firewalls who need to get more out of that investment. Keith goes deep on deploying hardware and virtual firewalls, application layer decryption, network hardening, and managing hybrid environments through Strata Cloud Manager. It's operational, hands-on, and directly applicable to what your team is doing right now. Plus, it maps directly to the NetSec-Pro exam, validating your team's ability to handle complex network deployments. And finally, John McGovern brings us Cisco CCNP Automation Core for teams still managing networks by hand. If your engineers are stuck in manual CLI workflows, this is how you modernize. John covers infrastructure as code, Ansible, Terraform, and Python-driven NetDevOps. With brand new lessons on leveraging AI and LLMs for automated troubleshooting, this course delivers exactly what your team needs to secure, automate, and scale your entire enterprise. Thanks for watching. Subscribe here to get the latest from CBT Nuggets. And if you haven't yet, sign up for a free trial and see everything CBT Nuggets training has to offer.